Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Made Shahir and I am back with another YouTube video. मैंने अपनी पिछली आर्वलॉन वाली वीडियो पे कहा था कि मैं उससे अगले हफ्ते जो है ना ये स्किन के रूटीन स्टार्ट करूँगा। फिर एक हफ्ते से वो 2 हफ्ते हो गए, 2 हफ्ते से 3 हो गए, 3 हफ्ते से वो महीना हो गया, महीने से वो 2 महीने हो गए. तो it's like long overdue. And here I am. Finally, I have some like time to myself where I can really take care of my skin. I have not been taking care of my skin at all. Skin की बुरी हालत हुई है. Like you can probably not see in the camera, or maybe you can. I don't know. But कैमरा जो है ना वो फिर थोड़ा हसीन करके बंदे को दिखाता है. असलियत में बुरा हाल है, बहुत बुरा हाल है. तो एनीवेज मैं ये आर्वलॉन की क्लैरिफाइंग रेंज जो है ना वो यूज़ करने लगा हूँ और दिस ओवरऑल इज़ अराउंड लाइक 2000 की रेंज में 4 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. तो फॉर पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट स्किन केयर एंड दे वांट a specific like set of products that they can use which are affordable. मुझे काफ़ी दफ़ा मतलब ज़्यादातर लोग जो स्किन केयर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं मुझे ये कहते हैं कि 3-4 प्रोडक्ट्स हों और 1000-2000 की रेंज में टोटल हमारा सीन ऑन हो जाए. तो उस हिसाब से ये काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और इनका मैंने जो स्क्रब यूज़ किया था वो आप लोगों को याद है, पिछली वीडियो देख सकते हैं. इट वॉज अ ट्यूब फॉर विशफुल यो ग्लो. तो या लेट्स सी कि क्या सीन बनता है हमारा Arvalon के products के साथ. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply them for the first time today and then I'm going to keep using them for a month at the very least, and I'll give you my reviews after a month or so and tell you कि मेरे क्या thoughts हैं. तो आज तो हम सिर्फ first impressions करेंगे. तो the first product in this range is this oil free cleanser. This is an oil and blemish control cleanser and basically you just have to massage onto your damp skin for 2 to 3 minutes and then you can just wipe it off with a damp cotton pad or towel. And this is what the consistency is like. It's kind of like shampoo, honestly. Like it doesn't feel like how regular cleansers feel like. It's more like liquidy to the touch. But yeah, let's try it out. So you have to have damp skin and I cannot be bothered dampening my skin, so I'm just gonna Now I'm going to wipe it off with a damp cloth. Okay guys, so ये scene है जी हमारी skin का. I have patted it dry. It feels like really soft. Of like gunk came off on my cotton pad and हालांकि मैंने अभी तकरीबन घंटा पहले face wash किया था. Next thing that we're going to try is their microfoliant scrub. You have to apply it onto damp skin and massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with water and pat skin dry. We've already used this product before, so let's give it a try once again. Taking like this much of product, it's like almost 2 drops, and then I'm just tapping it onto the skin and then we're going to start circular motions में massage करना. Not very harsh on the skin. I feel like Yo Glow is even more harsh than this. Like I've scrubbed for like around about 2 minutes now and I'm gonna wash off my face and I'll be right back. Next up I'm going to be using their clarifying clay mask. It is their clarifying mask that uses earth clay and willow bark to basically extract all the gunk from your pores and leave your skin really smooth and hydrated at the same time. So I have never tried this. So let's see how it is. You have to basically apply it for 10 to 15 minutes and this is what it looks like. It's a yellow consistency, kind of like a turmeric mask. And let's just lather it on. I'm just gonna apply this on my T-zone because I don't really need like clog pouring. Wow, and pore and clogging action other than on my T-zone. बाकी सारी skin सही है boss. Smells like rose. Like rose. I don't know how to explain this. Rose का flower नहीं, but like rose का जो actual पौधा होता है ना, या उसकी पत्तों की जो smell होती है, वो वाली smell है. I feel like मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा थोप लिया है, more than what is needed. तो हम ये लगा लिया है. Now I'll be back like in 10 minutes. With my face completely wiped and then we shall see if there's any difference. Okay guys, so mask utar chuka hai and skin feels really like, it doesn't feel very tight जिस तरह normal clay mask से होता है, which I like. I don't like super dehydrating clay masks. So but skin feels nice और I feel like I will be able to tell more टाइम के साथ, बिकॉज एक दफ़ा यूज़ करने से फ़ौरन इतना कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लाइक कोई जादू तो है नहीं. But yeah, it's nice. So our last product is their daily cream for oily and acne prone skin, and this is basically just a moisturizer, and it has soybean protein, and yeah, basically what it does is that it minimizes your oil sebum production, and at the same time hydrates the skin, and the texture is very like liquidy and gel based. The smell, what does the smell like? You guys, smells are so tricky, like पता नहीं चलता कि बंदा क्या smell कर रहा है. What does the smell like? No idea, but it smells like very minimal. बहुत हल्की फुल्की smell है इसकी. It feels amazing on the skin, and I feel like this would be a really nice moisturizer before makeup as well. I use anything that doesn't like, you know, make your skin heavy, and anything that controls sebum is great for makeup. So sebum is your natural oil, so I feel like this would be great underneath makeup, and it kind of absorbs into the skin immediately. And I love the way my skin feels right now. Like you can, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I love the way my skin feels. So that is it for this skincare routine. What do I think? I feel like it's nice for the price. तो इसकी प्राइस है 1749 रुपीज़, और मैं वेबसाइट का लिंक नीचे छोड़ दूंगा. पूरे सेट का प्राइस है ये, and you can use my code Shahir10 for 10% off on this. I really like it, you guys. इस प्राइस रेंज में the products make sense. मुझे मसला क्या होता है सस्ते प्रोडक्ट के साथ कि most of the time they don't make sense. Like एक ही चीज़ में जो है ना 50 चीज़ें होंगी और वो 50 claims होंगे, and then it does nothing. इसके products के अंदर ना they're all like kind of like high-end products where they are targeted towards one thing, and the ingredients are also pretty decent. So I feel like it's a pretty decent range. Like this is not miraculous by any means, but it's getting the job done. और बाकी मैं आपको महीने बाद बताऊंगा कि क्या सीन है. We'll be back with some really soon. Like I'm telling you, actual में really soon. So keep waiting for that, and until then, bye bye.